Go ahead and be a dreamer, but do something about your dreams. Don't just let them flit away. And dream about something. Go ahead. I dreamed about being successful with the synthetic oil. Yes, I dreamed about it. But I fought my hind end off to get it going. Big guys have an advantage, there's no doubt about it, you know? If they could do it, why can't I? I had no fear, because I figured there's a way I could beat you, you know? But you need to go after it. And you search, and you work, and you delve, and you just keep it up and keep it up. You surround yourself with good people. You learned that a long, long time ago. You got to treat people properly. Treat them the way you want to be treated. You got to have integrity. We'll be honest, sincere, above board, no cheating, no lying, nothing underhanded. Take the high road. Don't give up. You knew it was there, so keep going. If somebody thinks it can't be done, but you think it can be done, it'll be done. If you're going to fight, you fight.